Meantime, Madrigal Pharmaceuticals surging 15%, the stock's best day since November. The company out with better than expected Q4 results thanks to its MASH fatty liver disease drug Rezdiffra. Madrigal also posting results of a study in patients whose liver disease is more advanced than the group currently eligible for the drug, saying those patients saw marked improvements in their condition over 2 years. For more on the results, Madrigal CEO Bill Sibold joins us now. Bill, great to see you again.
Oh, thanks for having me back.
Can you walk us through Rezdiffra and the trajectory that you see for the drug going forward, seeing that you're going to be launching in new territories?
Yeah, so first of all, it's been a really great launch. I've launched a lot of blockbuster medicines in my career, and this is the best launch that I've been associated with. In just our third quarter of launch, Q4, we exceeded $100 million, which when you compare against any launch, that is about as good as it gets. So we're really happy with that, and we're making progress along kind of really three key fronts. First of all, number of prescribers. We have we have a target of about 6,000 prescribers, and we continue to make progress on a quarterly basis there. We've had 60% of those prescribers write the product already. And from a patient perspective, we have now, at the end of December, over 11,800 patients on Rezdiffra, which is a really significant number in itself, crossing the 10,000 milestone. And then finally, from a payer perspective, last time I was on, we talked about a very aggressive goal of having 80% commercial coverage by the end of the year. We did that by the end of the third quarter. So we're on all those metrics tracking very well, which sets us up really for the future. And we have had steady, consistent growth, and we expect the same as we move into 25 and beyond.
You mentioned the more than 11,000 patients that are already on the drug. That's actually less than 4% of market penetration, according to one analyst report I read. How do you view the market, and how do GLP-1s fit in? Some will say that it's a competitor drug, in effect, because of its efficacy with MASH. And others will say it's a complement.
Yeah, so first of all, I'll say that the market dynamics set up here better than any other opportunity in the industry from my perspective. You mentioned the less than 4% penetration. That means that we have a long way to go, and that's into the diagnosed 315,000 patients that we are focused on. Now, what does competition do? Actually, competition really helps because it ends up growing the market for you. Every single launch I've been associated with, as you add more products, there's more awareness. Physicians are looking for the disease more, prescribing more, et cetera. As the market leader in the space, with really, I think, the best profile now and as we look into the future, it's almost a holy grail of profiles, a once-a-day pill that's effective and well-tolerated. We're in a really great position. Now, GLP-1s, they have stated that they will attempt to grow this market. We talk in terms of 315,000 patients. They talk in terms of there being 22 million patients in the US, EU5, and Japan. Now, in order for them to really support the business they have, they need to talk about millions of patients. We're very comfortable in the context of the 315,000 315,000 diagnosed patients. If GLP-1s grow the market like they state they will, we're in a very good position to compete there, especially with the high discontinuation rate that you see with GLP-1s. Novo, on a call, announced that at the 1 year point, about 70% of patients on Wegovy discontinued. That's an important fact because the study that they ran in MASH was a 72-week trial. So we look at it that there's a number of paths to victory for us. We're very happy with the 315,000 diagnosed patients, but then if this market expands as we think will happen in the presence of GLP-1s, we're also in a position to win.